According to the text, why was Wang and his team's discovery of the Pteropteris sciochanus fossil significant? For many years, the only existing fossil evidence of Mixtopterid Eurypterids, an extinct family of large aquatic arthropods known as sea scorpions and related to modern arachnids and horseshoe crabs, came from four species living on the paleocontinent of La Russia. In a discovery that expands our understanding of the geographical distribution of mixtopterids, paleontologist Bo Wang and others have identified fossilized remains of a new mixtoperid species, Chiropteris sciochanus, that lived over 400 million years ago on the paleocontinent of Gondwana. So, from the text we can see that the discovery of this new fossil was significant because it expands the understanding of geographical distribution of mixtopterids, where they were originally thought to be only on the La Russia paleocontinent, but instead this fossil was found on the paleocontinent of Gondwana. So, option choice A says, a fossil constitutes the first evidence found by scientists that mixtopterids lived more than 400 million years ago. This is incorrect because although it does state here that it lived over 400 million years ago, it doesn't highlight that this was the most oldest date that the fossil was found. That meaning that there could be an earlier date as well. So A is incorrect. B. The fossil helps establish that mixtopterids are more closely related to modern arachnids and horseshoe crabs than previously thought. This is incorrect because the text focuses on the geographical distribution of mixtopterids, not on how it is closely related to arachnids and horseshoe crabs. So B can also be eliminated. C. The fossil helps establish a more accurate timeline of the evolution of mixtopterids on the paleocontinents of La Russia and Gondwana. This is incorrect, because although it does help establish a more accurate timeline, the focus of the text is that this discovery is significant because the fossil was found on the paleocontinent of Gondwana, and all the other fossils of this species were found on the paleocontinent of La Russia. So, C must also be incorrect. D. The fossil constitutes the first evidence found by scientists that mixtopterids existed outside the paleocontinent of La Russia. This is the correct answer because it properly reflects what the emphasis of the text, where it highlights how the text says where the came from four species living on the paleocontinent of La Russia, meaning that all the mixtopterids lived on La Russia before this discovery. But the discovery of this fossil highlighted that the mixtoperid geographical distribution extended to Gondwana as well. So, D is the correct answer.